Basically, I just did a really soft boy foundation and a highlight. That's all I did to my face. Cause, oh my god, why is it like that? Honey, behave! Hey, mer babies! Welcome back to my channel. So today we're just gonna have a chill day. Me and my sister, we're hungry and we're just gonna go out and eat. And I'm gonna take you guys with me into my really not so interesting lifestyle. So I'm using the front camera right now, so hopefully I am in frame and stuff, because if I use the back camera, I'm usually like this. So much better. I need to buy a vlogging camera. Yeah, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video and comment and let's just go.
You call me stupid.
Because you call me stupid.
You were the first one. Play back the freaking tape.
Oh, I can't vlog.
You ain't no vlogger. What the fuck?
I can't vlog.
You don't have an interesting ass
Look.
vlogging.
So what? I like
You
vlogging.
ain't no vlogger.
I like vlogging. Vlogging is my style.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No. Go back to makeup, bitch.
Oh my god, you're so mean. Take it back. It's ready. Okay. LTT
Ready?
right there.
What? Ready?
No, I said
Ready.
I didn't
Look
say
what
anything.
she's ready.
Okay, look what she's wearing.
Stop
This is
hesitating,
cute. This is
bitch.
really. Why are you being rude?
I don't like.
You better walk. Walk. Come on. Come on. You gotta walk. Oh yes. She giving me body, every day. Look at her. She's so confident on her walk. See? This is why I love her, because she gives no fucks. She gave no fucks. Look at her. Yes, honey. You better walk. Work, honey. Oh yes. Oh no, not my phone. But she's having a bad day. So we're gonna go out buy balloons for my brother because it's his birthday, and I didn't want to say it when I was in the house, in that house area and stuff, because he was there. So we're gonna go out and buy him his balloons. We bought his laptop and we bought his hoverboard. That, oh my god, honey, that thing was so expensive. It's just so much money. So we got his balloons. And I look like an idiot because people are watching me. It's so weird. Isn't it pretty? It's so gorgeous. He's turning. Ashley, come on! Oh my god, I'm not in a hurry. You need to get the. I'm so tired. Don't get my back. Ashley, why are you happy? My feet are killing me. Oh no. Oh. There's people. Wait, do you want me to wait outside so you can buy on the cake? Oh, no. Oh, my hair! Okay, so. Sorry, guys. Just have to walk. Whoa, look at how pretty the balloons are. Oh, no, honey. Sorry. I have spins on my shoes. This is like a runway walk. This is so heavy, you don't understand. Oh, the sun. stone, and isn't it over here? Oh no! Oh, what happened? Oh no, help me! Ah, ah. I hate the wind. Oh, there's Ulta. Damn it. Isn't it pretty? I'm pretty. Now people are currently watching me right now, but that's okay because I don't care. Here, where's Cold Stone? Ah, where's Cold Stone?